You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Italian dish, a flatbread. If you want to learn more from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. This is a type of a wrap. The Italian pronunciation is as piada. It's more generally referred to as piadina. I think piadinas are a little bit smaller. Piada is a bit bigger. Flatbread. Piada. Italian pronunciation in English, piada. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.